These days, a lot of US manufacturing companies are investing really heavily in automation, robotics, and advanced production systems. But then they're running into a major challenge, and that is finding enough engineers and technical specialists who then can support that equipment. So at 3A, we have a turnkey solution to this problem. So at 3A, we work with US manufacturers, and we sometimes recruit an engineer or a technician here or there, but often we also help to hire multiple engineers or engineering technicians through a larger model to support their automation systems. Now at 3A, our focus is recruiting Mexican engineers and technicians who then work directly for the employer in the United States on a TN visa. We've worked with manufacturers in industries like plastics manufacturing and packaging equipment, and helping them to recruit automation engineers and engineering technicians with a lot of experience working on PLC-controlled machinery, robotics, and automated production lines as well. Now, in many plants, we all know, even a few hours of downtime on an automated production line can be extremely expensive, which is why it's so important to have the right technical staff in place. Now, in many factories today, the biggest need isn't just engineers, it's also engineering technicians who can maintain and troubleshoot automation production equipment as well. So some of these manufacturers, they don't just hire one person, they use our services to build an entire automation team this way. And for some employers, the need is so consistent that they maintain ongoing recruitment relationships with us, where we continue to recruit and place additional engineers and technicians as their automation system expands. All right, so here's how it works. Now at 3A, we combine recruitment and work authorization into one system. Myself, I'm a US immigration attorney. Now our recruitment company is called 3A Recruiting. We've got an office down in Guanajuato, Mexico, and there we identify qualified candidates, including automation engineers, a lot of controls engineers, and engineering technicians who have experience with PLC systems like Allen Bradley or Siemens, robotics, and a lot of automated production equipment as well. And then at the same time, our US law firm, 3A Immigration Law, we handle the work authorization so that those professionals can legally join your company's engineering or technical team up in the United States. So basically, instead of the employer coordinating between a recruiter and an immigration lawyer, we can handle both parts of the process for you. Our recruitment team in Mexico finds the candidates, and then our legal team in the United States handles the TN work authorization. And the employer, well, you can build out a stable engineering and technical team in a really relatively short period of time. A lot of TN visas can be done in a couple of weeks to a few months. Now, for many manufacturers, this approach also creates significant cost advantages, especially compared to relying upon contract labor. We all know contract engineers and technicians, very helpful during busy periods, but they're also very expensive and they can leave at any time. So by hiring engineers and engineering technicians through the TN Visa program, it allows manufacturers to bring in full-time technical talent at sustainable salaries while still accessing highly specialized skills in automation and manufacturing systems. Now, the truth is Mexico produces a significant number of engineers and technicians every year, particularly in areas like automation, mechatronics, a lot of electrical systems, a lot of industrial controls as well. It makes it a strong talent pool for industries like plastics manufacturing, packaging equipment, robotics, for advanced manufacturing as well. So, if your company is struggling to find automation engineers or engineering technicians, feel free to reach out. We are always happy to share what we've learned helping other manufacturers build their automation team. Give us a call.